Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most effective solutions for pet owners dealing with carpet stains and odors. The Rocco Roxie Carpet Cleaner Solution for Pets. If you're looking for the best enzyme cleaner for your carpet shampooer, this might just be the one for you. Let's kick things off with what makes this product stand out. It's designed not just for cleaning, but for tackling those stubborn pet stains and odors that can linger on carpets, upholstery, and rugs. The formula boasts a professional strength blend that goes to work immediately. Thanks to its active oxygen molecules that break down tough stains. What sets this apart is its revolutionary encapsulation technology, which ensures no sticky residue is left behind, keeping your carpets cleaner for longer. It's chlorine-free and color-safe, certified by the Carpet and Rug Institute for use on all carpets. Plus, it's safe around pets and children, so you can rest assured it won't harm your loved ones. Using the Rocco Roxie cleaner is straightforward. Simply mix with water in your carpet shampooer, following the manufacturer's instructions. It's compatible with all carpet cleaning machines, making it incredibly versatile for various surfaces around your home. Now, let's put it to the test. Here, we have a carpet with some tough pet stains. I'll apply the Rocco Roxie solution and run the carpet cleaner over it to see how well it removes the stains and neutralizes odors. Before we wrap up, let's hear from others who've used this product. Customers rave about its effectiveness, particularly its ability to eliminate odors and leave carpets looking refreshed. Many have commented on how it's exceeded their expectations, making it a go-to choice for pet owners everywhere. In conclusion, if you're looking for a powerful cleaner that's safe for your pets, kids, and carpets, look no further than the Rocco Roxie Carpet Cleaner Solution for Pets. Its professional strength formula, combined with its safety certifications and rave reviews, makes it a top contender in the market. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product analyses like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.